Welcome back. Now, ClickFunnels does allow you to upload videos to the platform to use in your marketing content in your courses. We can then upload the video. In order to make sure the video is present, we can click on All Videos. We'll then see our video available inside of our video gallery. In order to make this screen go away, we're going to click the Escape button. We can then add in the video to our course lesson. We can click Select Video. We can then click on the video that we just added, and the video will then be present inside of our lesson. Again, each setting does have advanced features as well as a thumbnail available if we want to customize in this manner. We're going to click on Create Lesson, and our video lesson will then be available inside of our module. Now, what we can also do is we can go to the Settings area. We can then go to My Assets. You are then going to see assets that you have available to you. You can click on Videos. And you're going to notice that your video is then going to be available here in the video area of your assets. You can also come to this page, click this link that says Upload Course Video, and you can then upload your video and customize the file with an image and a name. We're going to grab a file from our hard drive. You'll notice then our video is then uploaded. We can then add in an image if we want to customize in this manner. When you click on the Add Image area, you're going to notice that you have previously used images that you have available on the ClickFunnels platform, and you can use them in this case, or you can upload a brand new image from your hard drive. Once the image is uploaded, we can select it. It will then be available inside of our new video area. We can then click Create Video. You'll notice then that we will then have a video available. So you can either upload your videos to the platform through the course, or you can upload them separately through the My Assets area. Now, it's important to note that as of the recording of this video, we are unable to upload multiple videos at one time. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.